Hey, what's up everybody? This is C.L.S. All-in-One, and today we're taking a look at the American Standard Astute VorMax toilet. I recently installed this toilet for a client, and they were having a lot of issues with their toilet getting clogged, and they wanted to replace their toilet with something that had some serious power. So I made a trip to the local Menards and found the Astute VorMax, and let's just say they have not been disappointed. There is so many different toilets to choose from now at the hardware stores, and I've installed probably around 80 plus toilets over the years with various different designs. And the Astute VorMax probably has the most powerful flush out of any residential toilet I've ever installed. So this toilet actually has two different ways you can flush it. You can just flush it like any other regular toilet by pushing that handle down in a regular manner, and it opens up one flapper inside the tank. But if you push it all the way down, it opens up a second flapper inside the tank and gives you a maximum flush. It also features VorMax technology, which delivers a powerful jet of water to the bowl, which not only creates a powerful flush, but it also cleans the bowl very well at the same time. In this example, I've added just a small amount of red dye to the tank, that way you can see that flush a little bit better. And as you can see here, it's a very fast flush, and it fills that tank back up very quickly. And here's a closer look at the two flappers inside the toilet tank. And if you're familiar with toilets, then you probably already know that it's not normal to have two flappers inside of a toilet tank. It's very strange looking, but with the use of these two flappers, it does create that really powerful flush. So this is what it looks like inside the tank if you just flush that toilet like normal. Just that one flapper lifts up, but if you push it all the way down then let go, it lifts up both of these flappers to give you that bigger flush. So I did wait to make this video for a few months to make sure that the toilet performed well. And since installing the Astute VorMax, the owners were happy to report no more issues with the toilet clogging. Now I can't guarantee this has the most powerful flush for any residential toilet on the market today, but I can most definitely say it has the most powerful flush out of any residential toilet I've ever tested. Well, I think I've covered everything I want to talk about with this toilet today, and after all, how many times can I show you a toilet flushing? Hey everyone, thanks for watching. This is C.L.S. All-in-One. If you want to hear more from me, please like and subscribe. And to see more of my videos, just click any of these categories to see more.